Good morning, dear students. This is Reflections, topic 2, Reflections, page number 7. First of all, you have studied about pattern. That pattern was the first topic. Here, reflections. That is given on your book, page number 7. So, while watching the video, you should open your book also along with that. Now, look here, children. What is reflection? The image in the mirror is reflection. The image, what is the image? That picture that you see in the mirror is your reflection. You are standing in front of the mirror. So that image, the picture, what you are watching in that mirror, that is the reflection. The reflection is same in size. That reflection, like your size, what you find in the, you are standing in front of the mirror, no? So you can find that the reflection what you are getting in the mirror, it is same of your size only and your shape also. As you are thin, so you will get the thin reflection. If you are fat, you will get the fat reflection. Okay, then position means this boy has put his hands in the pocket. So what he is finding reflection, that in reflection also that boy has put hands in the pocket. Clear, children? So that image, if it is said that what is reflection, if it is asked you what is reflection, so you can say the image in the mirror is reflection. The reflection is same in size, shape and position in regard to the mirror, as I have explained. I hope that is clear. Like your nose, you will find same type of nose and eyes in your reflection. Here one more example is given of P. Like alphabet P is there. If alphabet P is put in front of the mirror, what will you find? You will find this type of reflection, children. Okay. How this type of reflection? Like this is the mirror. Just imagine this is the mirror. Okay. You can experiment also this. You can do that type of activity also. That write alphabet P and put in front of the mirror. Then what you will find? Okay. So this is facing here. This is the face. Okay, so it is facing here. Then what you will find, this P will also face towards this. Clear? Like this boy facing here, and this boy face is also what reflection you are getting, that is also facing towards the boy. Clear? Now reflection using ink blots. Now you have studied reflection in mirror. Now we are going to study how we can find reflection using ink blots. So for that you need one ink pot, dropper and sheet of paper. You have to fold it in half. Fold that sheet of paper in half. Okay, make it half. Just fold it. See here that line is there, no? From here you have to fold it. After folding it, you have to unfold and sprinkle few drops of color. Here you can sprinkle. Here I have sprinkled the ink. You can do anything what is available in your home, like ink drops also you can use watercolor also on one half of the paper. So this line you have to put that color here, okay, beyond the line. Now again you fold the paper, fold it again along the crease. This line, what is line I am sending, no, that is the crease, that is the center line, and press it with your palm. Now you press it with your palm, press it properly with your hands. Now what you will find, unfold a paper. Unfold a paper means open the paper, and what you will find, you will find that reflection of ink on the other side of the paper also. Understood, children? So this thing you can see here, that other side is also we have find the same type of ink. Okay, same dots, similar everything, that is reflection. Okay, that is also reflection by ink blots. Now here, what is symmetry? Symmetry, any line splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called a line of symmetry. Already I have given you definitions to write in your copy. I hope that all the children have written that work in the copy. Okay, so this what I have said, any line splitting a shape into two parts. This is the line. This is the line. and it is splitting means it is separating the shapes in two parts. One square you have got here, one square here, that is two parts, that is the two shapes, such that two parts are the same and these both parts are same in size. Okay, same in size, shape and position. That is called line of symmetry. This line, which line you find in this center, that is said to be line of symmetry because it is dividing both parts. It is dividing the both parts, so that is the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is also called as mirror image. The other name is mirror image. Clear, children? Line of symmetry is also called as mirror image. We can call it mirror image also. Why we call it mirror image? As I have explained you, when you will put this paper in front of the mirror, you will find the same size, position and shape. That's why it is said to be mirror image also, and the other name is line of symmetry. Now we are going to do some activities. For doing that activity, you have to get the piece of paper as you can have seen here and your color box, watercolor box. You need watercolor or any color, means that should be watery, that should be in liquid, not the crayons color. Clear? Now spread some colors on the one side of the paper. This is the line of symmetry now, so you have to fold it and make the crease between. Then you have to spread some color here. Now again you have to fold the paper. After spreading the color, you have to fold the paper properly and press it with your hands. Then unfold it. Unfold means open it. You will find somewhat this type of image. Okay, picture. So that is what? That is the image, that is the symmetrical figure, that is the symmetrical figure. Now you can do this also, this type of activity also. Okay, then one side you have to spread color and press it, you can get this type of image. So here I have showed you 2-3 pictures, children. So you have to do either this one or which I have showed here, this one. Any one you have to do and paste in your copy by putting the heading reflection using ink blots. You have to put the heading reflection using ink blots and you have to make this and paste in your copy. Clear? Understood? I want to see your copy and all these things should be there in the copy. Now here we are going to learn this. Here some symmetrical things are there. So can you tell me, children, where is the symmetry line? This is the door of a house and this is the symmetry line. This is the symmetry line. Why? Because it is dividing both in the same shape and position, and this is also said to be mirror image as I have told you. Understood? So where will the line be drawn to divide it into two symmetrical parts? So where you have to draw the line? Let me show you. So here in between this you have to draw the line. So this line is drawn in dashes, small dashes, not straight. Okay, small dashes. So that is the line of symmetry. Here you can see very clearly this type of shape is there, and this is also line of symmetry and this is also line of symmetry. If you fold this paper, you will get this crease, that is the line of symmetry. And what is the other name what I have told? Tell. Mirror lines. So in your book some exercises are given, that all exercise you have to do. Which exercise, children? Which are given in the book. Given on page number 10. Each first question, each shape can be cut into identical halves with a single straight line. So which exercise given? That exercise you have to do in the book. Okay. And one more, page number 8 also. One question is there. Which of these shows reflection in the mirror? That also you have to do in your book. Now some more things I have. Here reflection through paper folding and cutting activity. Here now you had seen that reflection through what? Ink blots. Here reflection through paper folding and cutting. Here you have to fold the paper and cut. This is activity 3. First you had seen ink blots 1. Then I have showed you with the color. This is activity 3. For doing this you need materials, scissors, pencils and paper. What is required? Scissors, one scissors, pencil, paper. Then you have to take this type of paper. Now you have to make that paper. If your paper is not square, then you have to fold the paper. You have to fold this paper like this is the paper. Okay. Then you have to fold it from here. So what is extra? If something is extra you are getting here, that you have to tear it like it is tear here. Understood? Now you will get one square paper. Got it? After getting the square paper, again you fold the paper. You have to fold it again in two halves. So you will get here one symmetry line. Now after getting the symmetry line, again you have to fold like the paper was in this way. Once you have fold from this side, then again you have to fold it from this side. Now you have got this one more square piece. Now you have to make it triangle. Open that and make the triangle. In that triangle you have to draw these designs. Carefully draw these design, children. This is the sign of this heart. Then these 3 lines you have to draw this type, these designs. Okay, this way 2 designs with a pencil. Here also. Then this you can make this 1, 2, 3. Then here this design, then this. Now you have to, what lines you have drawn now on that rectangular page, you have to cut it. After cutting it, children, here look, I am cutting it. After cutting, you will get this type of design. Remove that paper. Carefully do it. Now you are grown up, so you can do it. Just practice it. Then now unfold it. Now you have to open that. After opening, see what we are getting. This type of beautiful image you can get. So you have to try. You can use color paper also. Try it. Something you will get. Okay. It is not necessary to make this image only. You can make any other image also. But these 2 activities you have to do and stick in your copy. First, I have told you to put the heading. What is given in your book? Reflection using ink blots. That is the painting one. Reflection using ink blots. And for that paper cutting, you have to put the heading reflections through paper folding and cutting. After completing the work which I had given you in my first PDF. Okay, definitions of symmetry, reflection I have given you know. After that, this work should be done in the copy. All the children have to do it and show it to me. Thank you, children.